class 2, welcome back to maths class. Today in this class we are going to continue with chapter number 9, geometrical shapes. Now in the previous class we have learnt about solid figures. We have started with two solid figures, that is we have done cuboid and cube. In this class we are going to learn another solid figures, that is we'll be starting with sphere, then we will learn about cylinder and then cone. Okay, so let us start with sphere. Now if we talk the word sphere, if you have heard about sphere, then you must have also heard that the shape of our earth is spherical or sphere shape. Okay, or you can say the shape of the ball is also sphere shape. That means it is round in shape. So any object which is round in shape and which you can hold in your hand, and that is sphere shape. Like for example, I will show you this is an orange, okay, and this is almost sphere shape. Now example of spherical objects or spherical shape, you will get football, then different kind of balls, sometimes balloon also. There are some balloons which are spherical shape. Then our earth, moon, all these are spherical or sphere in shape. Okay. So what are the properties of sphere? When we talk about sphere, then how do we recognize or how do we understand that this particular shape is a spherical shape or sphere shape? Then a sphere has only one curved surface. Now you can see here, this is an orange and this has only one curved surface. It does not have any side, does not have any you can say corners, no corner, no side it has. It has only one curved surface. Okay. So this is the property or the feature of sphere. And if we talk about the example of sphere, as I told you, the earth is an example of sphere. Then football, balls, different kind of balls. Then you can also say other as I said, balloon. Some balloons are also of sphere shape. Okay, so that is the example of spherical objects. Now we come to the next type of solid figure, which is called cylinder. Now cylinder, the word cylinder, if you have heard your parents talking about cylinder, then you must have heard that, or you must have noticed that your parents often say that the gas cylinder is oval. So if you just go and notice the shape of the gas cylinder, it is almost like this shape. Okay, now some of the example bottle. Bottle is also a cylindrical shape. Alright, then if you make a roll of paper, suppose you take a plain paper and just make a roll of it, then that roll will also look like a cylinder. Now, what is the feature of cylinder? The feature of cylinder is every cylinder will have two what? What is this? Two curved surface. There are two curved surface, whereas in case of sphere we had only one curved surface. So cylinder will have, it has two curved surface. One is up, another is down. Okay. Then what is the next property? And it has you can say cylinder has three faces. This is one face, another face is this, and this is the other face. So it has two, it has one curved surface. This as I will show you here. This is the one curved surface. You can write here one curved surface and two plane surface. Alright, so this is one plane surface and this is another plane surface and one curved surface here. So altogether how many faces it has or surface it has? It has three faces or three surface, two plane and one curved surface. Okay, then next property of cylinder, you will see that in cylinder we have no corners, but it has two round edges. Edges means these are called the two round edges. Okay, if you see the like two plane surface are there, this plane surface has got two round edges. These two round edges. Okay, so we can also write it has two round edges or sides, we can say two round edges and no corner. It has no corner. Okay. Alright. So what have we learned about cylinder? That cylinder has three surface, one curved and two plane surface. Alright. Then it has two edges also, two round edges. Like no, this one is one round edge and this is another round edge. So it has two round edges and no corner it has. Okay. So that is the property of cylinder. And if you talk about the example of cylinder, then you will see gas cylinder is one of the example. All like different kind of water bottles are also example of cylinder. Then at like in the kitchen also, if you see those jars, where mommy is keeping all the kitchen material, like kitchen items and all she is keeping. So those jars are also of cylindrical shape. Okay, so those are the examples. Now we come to the next topic, that is cone. I'll rub this. Now cone, how it looks like. If you have seen the clowns, okay, clowns, they wear a kind of cap that is called clown cap. You must have seen like this. No, this is like, if I draw, it is something like clown cap. This is a clown cap. Now this clown cap, what is the shape of this clown cap? The clown cap shape is actually cone shape. So the name of this solid figure is cone. Okay, so I'm going to just draw that shape for you. It has one round, okay, one round surface it has, and one corner it has, and then it is known as cone. The name of the shape is cone. Now I will show you this one. Now this shape is almost like a cone shape. You can see here, this is a cone shape. So you can see one curved surface here, one corner it has, and one like plane surface. One curved surface, one plane surface, and it also has one round edges. Okay, so like in cylinder we had two round edges, but in cone we have one round edge. So let us write about the cone. So how many faces it has? The cone has two faces. This is one curved face and another is round face, this plain face. Okay, plain face. So we'll write first point, it has two faces or surfaces, you can say, comma, one curved and another one curved face and another is plain shape. And you can write like this, one curved face and one plain face. Okay, then what else? It has one corner. You can see this is one corner. Okay, one corner it has. So it has one, you can write it has one corner. And one more thing, what else? It has one round edge also. Okay, so you can write here, and it has one round edge. Okay, so let us revise the features of cone. So cone, as you can see here, this is the shape of the cone, and we have often noticed the cap of clowns that looks like cone shape. Okay, so it has two faces, one curved and one plain. it has one corner, as you can see this is one corner, and it has one round edge. So this one is the round edge. Okay, so this is all about the solid shapes. So we have completed all the solid shapes, all the 5 solid shapes or solid figures. In the previous class we have learnt about cube, cuboid, and in this class we have learned about sphere, cylinder and cone. Okay, so what you're going to do is, whatever I have explained you here, you will copy down as it is in your CW copy, math CW copy. You will draw these solid figures and you will write about their features. Okay, then afterwards you will, as I told you, like in the previous class also I asked you to at least either draw or paste pictures of cuboidal shape objects, or example of cuboid and cube. In the similar way, in this also you will be doing drawing or pasting at least three examples of cone, sphere and cylinder. After that, you have one exercise given on page number 138. You can see here in 138 there is one exercise, and you have to do this exercise in the book itself. After completing this exercise, you will send me for correction at the school email ID. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you have understood this. So please keep practicing and try to draw these shapes and practice them at home as many times as you can, because these things, you will be asked to draw also in the exam. So you have to learn that right from now. So we have completed geometrical shape also. So please do the work which I have explained you, which I have asked you to do, and send your work for correction. That's all in this video. Have a good day and God bless you.